How to write fractions in Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs. Click on View and you'll find Show Equation Toolbar. Click on Show Equation Toolbar. You'll find New Equation on left side. Click on it and then you'll find all these options. Press on fourth one. In here you'll find fraction. A by B, simply click on it and then press number on top. To press number on bottom, simply press on enter and add your number. And this is how to write fraction in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.